Hi, this is Sarah from Meeting Hub. In this short tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can access the Meeting Hub knowledge base from within the admin panel to support your use of Meeting Hub. If you have new employees onboarding, the knowledge base articles are a good place for them to start learning about the application. Let's take a look. From the admin panel, select Manage Bookings and List Bookings. On the top right hand of the page, you'll notice a help icon. Click the icon and you'll be directed to the knowledge base for that particular page. Scrolling through the page will detail all of the information about that particular page. Should you wish to look at other articles while you're here, you can simply select Knowledge Base from the menu at the top. You'll then be directed to all of the available knowledge base articles for Meeting Hub. Let's go back to the application. If I click on Booking Calendar, the help icon will also appear in the top right hand section of the screen. Clicking on the help icon will open the knowledge base article for that particular page. Again, scrolling through will show you all of the information that relates to that page. That concludes this short tutorial on how to access the knowledge base.